How to let go of sentimental items, the key to decluttering your home. Sentimental items. They hold memories, emotions, and personal meaning. We all have them: old gifts, childhood mementos, souvenirs from past trips, family heirlooms. But what happens when those items start to pile up and take over our space? How do we let go of things that carry so much emotional weight? Letting go of sentimental items is one of the hardest parts of decluttering. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about confronting emotions tied to the past. What if I let go of something and forget the memory? What if I regret it later? These thoughts keep us stuck, afraid to make decisions. But here's the truth. Keeping every sentimental item doesn't keep the memory alive. It just takes up space physically and emotionally. First, let's understand why we get so attached to sentimental items. These objects represent moments in our lives, people we love, or experiences that shaped us. They're symbols of our story. But here's the thing, your memories are not in the stuff. They're in your mind, in your heart, in the feelings and experiences that these objects remind you of. The item itself doesn't hold the memory, the feeling does. Step 1. Acknowledge the emotional attachment. It's okay to feel attached to things. These emotions are a natural part of being human. Don't rush through the process of letting go. Take a moment to sit with the item, remember the story behind it, and feel the emotion. It's important to validate your feelings. This item mattered to you for a reason, and it's okay to grieve letting it go. Step 2. Ask the right questions. This is where the magic happens. Ask yourself, does this item bring me joy or peace when I look at it? Is this item something I truly need, or am I holding onto it out of obligation or guilt? Would I remember the memory without this item? If the answer is no, then it's time to think about letting it go. You're not erasing the memory, you're simply creating space for new experiences. Step 3. Take a photo. One of the easiest ways to keep the memory without keeping the clutter is by taking a photo. Capture the item in detail, and then let it go. You'll still have the memory, but without the burden of keeping every single object. Imagine creating a digital album of the things you've let go of, a beautiful collection of memories, without the physical clutter. Step 4. Let go gradually. It's okay to take your time with this. If you're not ready to part with everything, start small. Choose one item at a time, and if you feel overwhelmed, take a break. The goal is to make progress, not perfection. You don't need to declutter your entire home in one day. This is a journey, not a race. Step 5. Find a new purpose for some items. Not everything needs to be thrown away. Repurpose things that still hold value but no longer fit into your current life. Turn old clothing into something useful, like a pillowcase or cleaning cloth. Recycle cards and letters by turning them into a scrapbook or memory book. This way, you can hold on to the sentiment without the clutter. Step 6. Donate or share with loved ones. If you have items that hold meaning but aren't serving you anymore, consider passing them along to someone else. It could be a family member, a friend, or even a charity. Giving these items to someone else doesn't mean you've forgotten about the need. It means you're passing on the joy and memories for someone else to enjoy. Step 7. Reflect and be proud of your progress. Decluttering sentimental items can be one of the hardest tasks, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Each item you let go of is a step toward creating a home that serves you today, not a reminder of the past. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come and know that you've made room for new memories. Letting go of sentimental items isn't about forgetting the past. It's about creating space for the future. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of things you no longer need, so you can embrace the present with clarity and peace of mind. Remember, the memories you cherish are always with you, in your heart, not in your things. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a clutter-free and meaningful life. Take the first step toward freedom today.